In this video, we're going to take a close look at 2-wire and 4-wire transmitters and discuss where they are used and why. We're also going to explore wiring configurations and how transmitters are connected to a PLC. Before we get started, you might want to review our video called PLC Analog Inputs and Signals. You can find the link to this video in the description. Okay, let's get started. A transmitter is an instrument that converts the small signal from a sensor to a signal which represents the variable being measured. Transmitters come in all different shapes and sizes and connect with several types of sensors. The transmitter output signal representing the variable being measured can be voltage or current. The transmitter analog output loop contains the transmitter, power supply, and the receiving device, which could be a PLC or DCS. Just like any other instrument, a transmitter needs a power supply to operate. But, is it a 2-wire or a 4-wire transmitter? The actual wiring connection between the transmitter and the power supply depends upon which type it is. We will come back to that later. Earlier, we said that the transmitter output can be either current or voltage. Current is by far the most common transmitter output signal for many reasons. One reason is, if the wires between the transmitter and the PLC are very long, there could be significant voltage losses across these wires. Regardless of the length of wire in a current loop, basic electrical theory tells us that the current is the same in the circuit regardless of where that current is measured. So, no loss at all. Okay. We've covered some basics. Now, let's dig a little deeper. A 4-wire transmitter has 2 wires connected to a power supply and 2 signal wires connected to the PLC. The power supply can be AC or DC, depending upon the vendor and model. As its name states, a 2-wire transmitter has only 2 wires. In a 2-wire current loop, the transmitter, DC power supply, and PLC are connected in series. Not only are the 2 wires providing power for the transmitter, but they are also the signal lines. Let's have a look at how a typical 2-wire current loop is shown on a loop diagram. As illustrated, the 24-volt power supply is in series with the differential pressure transmitter and the PLC analog input card. Let's review what we've learned today. A transmitter is an instrument that converts the small signal from a sensor to a signal which represents the variable being measured. A transmitter analog output loop contains the transmitter, power supply, and the receiving device, such as a PLC. The actual wiring between the transmitter and the power supply depends upon whether it is a 2-wire or a 4-wire type. A 4-wire transmitter has 2 wires connected to a power supply and 2 signal wires connected to the PLC. A 2-wire transmitter has only 2 wires and is connected in series with the power supply and the PLC. Newcomers to RealPARS have free access to one of our online courses. You can take advantage of this offer by downloading the RealPARS app and selecting the first lesson of the PLC hardware course. Just like this video, the lessons are all high quality and also very easy to follow. Also, for a low monthly fee, you'll get full access to an exclusive library of courses on PLC programming and industrial automation topics, as well as new fresh out of the oven videos each and every week. These courses are all member exclusive and are not shared anywhere else on the internet.